Yeah. So this is an 8600 GT. You can tell by no power, so there's no extra power connectors on it. That's how you know it's a GT, GTO, or GS. Now I got a whole bunch of small Phillips. I'm gonna take this off first. I'm gonna be disassembling the whole thing, like everything. So I want to make sure all the Phillips heads are a good fit. Oh, it's on there. That way everything's good to go. Let's keep my drawer open for all my screws. Yeah, I'm not sure where my driver is for this. You can use a tech bit for these. I have a whole box of them. So, just to take off this bracket. Holy. These are on there. Holy moly. So, just in case you're joining in, we're taking apart graphics cards. I got a bunch of them that I want to take apart. So, right now I'm working on taking off this bracket. It's all off there now. I just want to make sure and take these apart because I haven't taken this one apart yet, and I haven't taken apart a couple of them, and there's a couple that you can take apart the whole cooler to clean, and I haven't done that, so I'm gonna do that with all the ones I haven't done, and I haven't rethermal pasted anything in a long time, so it needs it. The thumbnail is the 1080 Ti. We will be getting to the 1080 Ti. It will be down the road. These are on there. Guess they want to make sure they're not going anywhere. Okay. And I'll take these ones off nice and evenly, so that way I can see if the thermal paste was a good spread, whoever did it last. So I haven't taken this one apart yet. This is the 8600, NVIDIA 8600. It's an old graphics card. Oh, don't tell me. Alright, well, this isn't recommended, but I don't want to rip the connector, so holy. It's gonna take the whole thing. Alright. That's fine. Alright. Something to show on the stream, I guess. So this, it's hard to show. I have to stand up for this. So that connector there. Let's see it right here. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. So these older graphics cards with these connectors, it's just what it is. Yeah, I guess there is tabs you could press on, but they're not going to really help you. So just pull it out. You can just push it back in whenever I want to reconnect it. It's not a big deal. Happens with a motherboard for like the power on and all that, those kind of functions, that plug-in happens with that too on the motherboards. Alright, so now we got that. Ew. Oh, this was so a phase change, a PTM, I think they call it. Pretty sure they call it PTMs. They also used it back in the day too, like they're a phase change, like thermal pad, but they melt like silicone paste. More or less used on laptops now. A lot of people are getting into them. But yeah, that's yeah. So that's looks like PTM. You can see the ribbing from it. All right, so that's the cooler. Yeah, it does. It looks like a phase change pad, even though they're newer type nowadays. Ew. That is dry, very dry. Now I want to take it all off, make sure it's all off nice. Oh yeah, there we go. Whoa. Okay. It's a very small die. Alright, so we got NVIDIA U802B041. Made in Taiwan. And the actual chip die is G84. Yes, G84-303-A2. Very small die. Very small. Yeah, it's a very small chip die. Okay, so I got this brush. Just dust stuff over here. I got an extraction fan right now going in the window. It's on low, so it's very quiet. Plus, I made a little silencer for it, so hopefully no one here can hear it. Not bad. Not bad at all. That was fairly easy for that. So I want to take apart this cooler. It's guaranteed it needs a clean probably. So we see which screwdriver fits nicely. It's not bad. Hey, I like that one. That's real nice. That's a real nice. So These screws I'll put in here too. Different side. So, for anyone that's just joining the stream, I'm taking apart graphics cards. The thumbnail is a 1080 Ti. We'll be getting to that. I got a bunch of these older graphics cards that I need to get rethermal paste and cleaned up. So that way I can do a bunch of benchmarks on them too. If you have not checked it, I do have videos out just going on the overview, going over the year, roughly what memory size, the games roughly that they played. And if you ever watched one of them videos, let me know in the comment section below. I am trying to make better content. Try not to be so boring. Kind of like this, but this is going to be a long stream. Hopefully getting some viewers today. There's only 5 screws holding that plate on. Now, so, oh, it does. Huh. It's not that bad. Like, yeah, you can see a little bit of dirt on those fins, but the cooler looks just fine. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Nothing really to complain about for dirty wise. That's good. Couple little bit of hairs, little bit of dust, not much. Wipeable. Just wipeable. Oh, it is. Some aluminum's just that color from the aluminum by the looks of it. Permanent. I guess if I want, I can disassemble the whole thing. Oh. Ooh. It's so hard. Where did I put my paper? Pretty sure I put it in the drawer. Yes, I did. If you don't have one, these plastic, they're razors. They're plastic razors. Oh, they're great. Great for if you do anything with electronics. Just like that. Pull thermal paste off. And cleaned up. All shiny. That was easy. I have to clean up my workspace after every graphics card by the looks of it though. Like, I got a pile. I got too many. I got too much. There's too much of this. It's hard to show. Old thermal. Yeah, it's like dust. That's some old thermal paste. It's literally dust. So let's reassemble the cooler. So if anybody's watching, comment down below. I have thermal pastes. So I got my own thermal paste. So it's my own mix of thermal paste, which is a cheaper type of thermal paste that I find is fairly decent. It's not like the cheapest. And then it's mixed in with diamond dust. A 70,000, 75,000 grit diamond dust. This is my thermal paste. Also got some thermalite. And I got some thermal grizzly. So comment down below which one I should use. Alright, we'll just grab some more of these screws. 3, 5 of them. Voila, 5. See that all right? Could do this. More. Nice. Nice. There's some water spots on these, but not bad. Oh, what should I use? Thermalite? Yeah, probably just some thermalite on this. It's not a big graphics card. Wow. That. Spread. Gonna need a close up on the spread. Not bad. Right. Clean up that spatula. And I guess this one's we lay down and line up kind. Oops. Maybe not. Wire is really annoying me here. Here we go. So let's get one of these screws lined up. Is it this one? Yep. So one of these lined up. There. screw down. We gotta screw down. I didn't have it turned in enough. There we go. Bam, bam. What's also nice about a lot of these older graphics cards, they have different mounting holes. So this one has mounting holes for this pattern for this cooler, another pattern for a different style cooler, and another pattern that's on the opposite. It's like a diagonal. It's a 45-degree turn on it. So let's say the cooler had something sticking out or it was past something, so it could pass, maybe I could pass it or something if it was turned that way. It has those mounting brackets, which is amazing, I think, for these older graphics cards. Since this graphics card came out, what, 2008, 2009, the 8600, yeah, 2008. The fan back in, snug. I might add some glue on that actually, so it doesn't pull out again. I mean, it works. It's snug. It's not going to go anywhere. Now we gotta put it back on bracket. Screw. And on there. Cute. Stupid spring for the ground. I don't like it. Stupid designs. Now, I haven't taken apart the 1080 Ti in a very long time, too. So, wonder what its thermal paste is like. Pretty sure I put thermal grizzly on it. If not, I put my own on it because it's diamond, has diamond grit just like the thermal grizzly. But that's snug because it was quite snug before. Which screwdriver was it for this one? This one? Yep. This one. Good. There. And we are good to go.